All right guys, time for the ornament challenge project. So we're going to be making some ornaments out of these blanks, sending them down to Turner's Warehouse, and they're going to auction them off, and the proceeds are going to a good cause. This year it's going to Toys for Tots. So if you're not familiar with the ornament challenge, this is the 4th year that they've been doing it down at Turner's Warehouse. Basically, you make an ornament, send it down to Turner's Warehouse. You're donating the ornament. You're not going to get it back. Send it down to them. They're going to auction them off online, and all the proceeds from the auctions are going to be donated to Toys for Tots this year. Pretty awesome, fun, little challenge. So there's a couple different categories that you can enter your ornaments into, and there are prizes up for grabs. So I have all the information. There's a link to all the info on their website about the challenge down in the description below. But for this one, this year, I decided to go for mixing 3D printing with resin casting to make the blanks. So what I did was I took my pinstripe model, the 3D print model, and I kind of adjusted the dimensions. You can do this in the slicer program before you print it out. These are typically like pen blank size, and so I kind of beefed it up sideways and then also shortened it, and it fit perfectly into a 1.5-inch PVC pipe. Then I just added a little bit of white pearl resin, and we got ourselves some blanks. So it should be pretty fun. I have a couple ideas of what I want to do with these blanks, like what I want to make. So it should be pretty fun to kind of play around. I don't have like a super awesome picture of exactly what it's going to be, so it'll be a little bit of we'll see what the blanks tell me while I'm turning them, but it should be pretty fun. So first step, I'm going to cut these guys square on the table saw, get them chucked up, and we'll make some shavings. So stick around and let's see what we can make.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe.
Next morning.
Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
All right, so two different designs, two pretty cool looking ornaments. I had a blast making these. These were really fun. I really like these kits. I've never done this one before. I've done a few of these from stainless bottle stoppers. Both of them work great. They're available at turnerswarehouse.com. I'll have links down in the description below to where you can get these hardware kits. But pretty awesome stuff. Hopefully you guys will give, turning out, doing the hollowing on like a stopper size thing sometime. It's really fun. You got to kind of watch out. It was starting to get chattery. So I kind of quit a little bit earlier than I probably would have otherwise, but it's really fun to hollow out, and the negative rate carbide cutters really make hollowing just a joy. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. These are going to go down to Turner's Warehouse. They're going to be in the auction. So if anybody wants to bid on these guys, I'll have more information. There's more information on Turner's Warehouse website all about the ornament challenge. So if you want to get in and make some ornaments, again, these are going to go to a good cause. They're going to be auctioned off. And then the money that is raised from those auctions, 100% of the proceeds is going to Toys for Tots. So something really awesome to help out with. You need to get your ornament. It needs to be in Turner's Warehouse hands, so in Phoenix, by November 27th. So you still got some time, but always better to get it down to them earlier so they can get things kind of prepped and set up. Again, there's more information all about the ornament challenge. There's a link down below on Turner's Warehouse website. So if you want to get entered, make some ornaments, there's a couple different categories and a few little rules. But bottom line is just make an ornament, send it down there, and it's going to raise some money for a good cause. And there are prizes available. So if you want to, really step up your game and try and go for the win, There's some really good prizes, and I think they're also just probably gonna, in the past, they've just done drawings as well for just random stuff, people that participated. So I have a feeling that even if you don't win a specific category, there's gonna be other prizes available. So anyway, guys, thanks again for watching this video. One last thing, if you wanna pick up the 3D print file, I have lots of different 3D print files that you can purchase on my website, but the pinstripe one that I made these blanks with is also available, so there'll be a link on the screen and down in the show notes. And of course, don't forget, if you are thinking about getting into resin casting and you're not really sure where to begin, check out my ebook, The Beginner's Guide to Resin Casting. It answers all those beginner questions, like what do you need to know? What tools and supplies do I need? It kind of gets you over that initial hump and gives you that baseline knowledge so that you can, proceed with resin casting, having a good foundation of, understanding of what's going on. What resin should I use? How do I pick a resin? Those types of questions will be answered in that book. So it's available on my website if you're interested. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching this video and happy turning.